By 2030, over 375 million workers worldwide may need to switch occupations due to artificial intelligence and automation. You use AI at work, but what if one mistake is silently making you more replaceable? When I finally saw the pattern, it changed everything. I worked with a marketing director last year who feared AI would make her team obsolete. She watched ChatGPT write better copy than her junior writers in minutes. 6 months later, she had doubled her department's output using AI as a force multiplier. She followed a method backed by Stanford research. Today I will show you exactly what she did. Before we continue, a quick note. I am not a computer scientist or AI engineer. I am a researcher and content creator analyzing public data and expert trends. The insights I share are based on reports from MIT Technology Review, Stanford AI Index, and McKinsey Global Institute, but they represent probabilities, not certainties. AI's impact varies by industry, region, and individual choice. Always test tools and strategies in your own context. This is educational content, not professional advice. Here is what most people do not understand. It is not just factory workers anymore. Goldman Sachs estimates that 300 million full-time jobs could be automated by AI systems. But here is the twist. AI will not take your job. A person who knows how to use AI will. The marketing director discovered this after 3 months of fighting AI adoption, while competitors gained ground. She realized she was not competing against AI. She was competing against humans who had learned to amplify their capabilities with AI. The most dangerous habit is over-relying on AI without human review. That single behavior has already caused layoffs at 2 major firms this year. There is also a free methodology that doubles your output quality while reducing working hours. I will show you how one professional used it to triple their income. Transportation workers see autonomous vehicles tested in over 30 cities. Customer service representatives are being replaced by AI chatbots handling 80% of inquiries. Even creative fields are transforming. AI can now compose music, edit films, write marketing copy, and design logos faster than human professionals. When core skills become commoditized overnight, it creates occupational identity crisis. A 2024 Brookings Institution study found that workers whose jobs were automated experienced anxiety rates 60% higher than the general population. But here's where the story changes completely. AI is the greatest productivity multiplier in human history. The same Stanford AI Index report that warned about job displacement revealed something remarkable. Professionals using AI augmentation tools completed tasks 37% faster, with higher quality than those who did not. Let me tell you about Sarah, a freelance graphic designer in Austin. 18 months ago, she charged $45 per hour, competing against hundreds of designers. She watched AI tools like Midjourney generate stunning visuals in seconds. Instead of seeing competition, she saw amplification. She learned to use AI for initial concept generation, then applied human expertise for refinement and client communication. Today, she charges $150 per hour and has a waiting list of clients. She became irreplaceable. McKinsey Global Institute analysis found that organizations combining human creativity with AI capabilities outperformed purely human teams by 40%. The World Economic Forum identified that while AI may displace 85 million jobs by 2025, it will create 97 million new ones, requiring AI fluency as baseline skill. Now I will show you the exact framework professionals use to become AI amplified rather than AI replaced. First, conduct an AI readiness audit. Write down every task you performed last week. Mark whether it involves routine decision-making, creative problem-solving, or human relationship management. Routine tasks are your highest automation risk. Creative and relationship tasks are your competitive advantage. MIT Technology Review found that jobs combining routine efficiency with creative strategy are most future-proof. Today, identify your 3 most time-consuming routine tasks and test how AI can handle 50% while you focus on strategy. Use ChatGPT for research and first drafts. Use Claude for analysis. Use Perplexity for fact-checking. Second, master human-AI collaboration protocols. Most people either avoid AI entirely or delegate everything without oversight. Both approaches lead to obsolescence. The Stanford Human-Centered AI Institute published a collaboration framework available on their website. The key principle is augmented intelligence, not replacement. You remain the strategist. AI becomes your research assistant and analysis accelerator. Start with prompt engineering fundamentals. OpenAI's official prompt guide includes best practices for clarity and structure. Your exercise is rewriting your last important work email using their template. The pattern is simple: context, task, constraints, and desired outcome. Instead of asking, "Write me a marketing email," specify, "You are a B2B marketing strategist." Write a follow-up email to enterprise clients who attended our demo but have not responded. Keep it under 150 words, professional but friendly tone. Include one demo benefit and end with a clear next step. One sales manager in Toronto struggled with proposal writing. Each proposal took 8 hours and won 20% of opportunities. After applying structured prompting, he reduced time to 3 hours while increasing win rates to 35%. A 2024 IEE study found professionals using structured AI collaboration protocols improved output quality by 42% while reducing time investment by 31%. Third, develop uniquely human superpowers AI cannot replicate. These include emotional intelligence, ethical reasoning, and strategic thinking. Focus learning energy on skills that become more valuable as AI handles routine work. Leadership, negotiation, and creative problem-solving are growing in demand as AI automates individual tasks. Your exercise: identify one strategic project requiring human judgment or stakeholder management. Volunteer to lead it. Use AI to accelerate research, but position yourself as the strategic thinker, synthesizing information into decisions. A product manager used AI to process thousands of customer reviews, then applied human insight to understand emotional context and develop a response strategy that increased satisfaction by 28%. Her promotion came specifically because she demonstrated leveraging AI for efficiency while providing strategic human value. Fourth, build your personal brand around adaptability. The professionals thriving are not the most technically skilled, but the most adaptive. Create content demonstrating your evolution. Share case studies of AI workflow integration. Start immediately. Publish one piece of content per week showing AI adaptation. This positions you as a forward-thinking professional who guides others through change. An operations director began sharing weekly AI integration experiments. Within 6 months, he spoke at 3 conferences and received job offers with 40% salary increases. Harvard Business Review research shows professionals with visible learning portfolios are 3.2 times more likely to advance during technological disruption. Fifth, create AI-human hybrid workflows difficult for competitors to replicate. The most valuable professionals are workflow innovators combining human creativity with AI efficiency. Design one complete workflow using AI for initial processing and human expertise for strategic refinement. Test it for 30 days, measure results, and document the process. A consulting partner developed a client analysis workflow, combining AI data processing with human strategic interpretation. The methodology reduced project timelines by 50% while improving satisfaction scores. She packaged this into a proprietary consulting method and increased billing rates by 80%. McKinsey research indicates professionals developing proprietary AI human methodologies command premium compensation and face lowest displacement risk. I will leave all the tools, studies, and resources I mentioned in the video description below. Just scroll down and every link is there for you, free to access. You are not obsolete. You are not behind. You are at the exact moment when adaptation creates the greatest competitive advantage. The professionals who thrive in 2030 are not the ones with the most AI tools. They are the humans who have learned to amplify their uniquely human capabilities through intelligent AI collaboration. You are becoming irreplaceable because you understand how to work with AI better than anyone else. AI is not the end of jobs. It is the end of doing them the old way. The marketing director did not survive the AI revolution by fighting it. She thrived by leading it. Her team became the most valuable in the company because they combined human strategy with AI execution. That same opportunity exists for you right now. If this helped you see AI as amplification rather than replacement, please like this video, subscribe to AI Survival Guide, and comment below. What part of your job do you think AI could enhance today? By 2030, you will not be replaced by AI. You will be leading it.